Which number is missing? Yay! Great job, you found it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. 1 to 10. Let's count again. 1 to 10. Counting, let's do it again. Do it again.